Hi everyone, my name is Jonie Bradshaw. I am a first grade teacher at Brookwood Elementary School, which is located in Snellville, Georgia. It's part of the Gwinnett County Public Schools. My personal and professional insight: I started working with children of all ages at a daycare while I was getting my bachelor's degree from Georgia Gwinnett College. Like I said, I teach first grade. This will be my 4th year coming up in the fall of teaching first grade, and I absolutely love it. I am also EPSY endorsed and reading certified, so when I finish my master's in gifted and creative education, I will also have my gifted endorsement to go along with that. My most memorable moment with diversity and equity issues is how much I've learned since starting this program last summer about how to recognize and cater to the needs of these students and make sure their culture and differences are noticed and recognized. I've enjoyed creating lesson plans and incorporating different issues that represent a wide variety of cultural experiences to my students. My favorite aspect of diversity and equity issues is how others get to learn more about other cultures and become informed on issues that relate to each culture. It's so interesting to see the students so engaged and so interactive in the discussions when we're learning about issues that relate to other cultures, because a lot of them only know things about their own culture. So they find it fascinating at such a young age to learn about other people and the diversity and things that make us each unique. My least favorite aspect is that oftentimes it's so poorly represented in county teaching standards. In Gwinnett County, we don't have any specific standards that relate to diversity and equity issues, so I plan on trying to incorporate these issues more in my lessons in the fall so that students will be more informed.